Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to the Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us all here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down the description of that video. So, go choose depending on your trading style. On the timeline, it will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not yet subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like that when we put in a new video, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord, where we're giving daily signals there. Even you can benefiting from those things. Us today we kill it, and yesterday we enter a long from here. Today we enter a short from here. If you are in our Telegram and in our Discord, just go now to the comment and say that you done it. Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see that the Bitcoin here in the daily, it's doing exactly what us we said, and that's what me have been telling you. I've been telling you for long term. It's not yet. It's need the Bitcoin at least to break here the trend line. And today what happened? We just came here to the trend line here and we touch it here. Then it show us here that big pin bar here in the daily, as you see it, the one here, the very big pin bar here in the daily, that it's indicating the market is going to reverse. But as majority of you didn't know me, I don't trade based on candles. Me, I trade based on price action. Price action will happen here. We are in a very stronger supply and demand zone. As you see, you can bring it even from here, from that level here. We came here, we tested, and even here we got the 200 moving average. Then the market, it show us that big pin bar here. Now what shall we do? Shall we enter short? Me already enter a short in 30 minutes. It hit for me the first target, take some profit, and the rest I'm going to leave it as a hedge against the risk. Because as majority of you didn't know me, I got a buying order from here, another one from here, another one from here, another one from here. All those ones, all that 4 orders, they are spot orders that meant without leverage. And today I enter here a short order to hedge against the risk. I take the first take profit. Now the rest I'm going to leave it. If it fall down more, I'm going to earn in funding rate and plus the earning from that short. That in the future me I'm talking about. Spots for the long future, for the short, that's what me I'm doing. So till now it's showing to us maybe the market is going to reverse down. What shall we do? We need to wait till the right time. Now here for long term, there is nothing yet. You need to wait until the right time. And as you see it, as we say it like that, we make it like that. We told you it need to break the trend line up, and down here it need to break that low here. Till now it doesn't break in up or down, so us we still nothing. And me I show you now everything what me I'm doing exactly. I told you me I got 4 orders. I buy here when we touch the 50 moving average. I buy from here when we touch the 100 moving average. I buy from here when we touching the 200 moving average, and I buy from here because that one here, the last low, people they been with me didn't know me where me I got the pending orders. Now we came here at that level here, exactly here at that last high. I enter a short. I'm going to show you why me I enter a short in the futures of Bitcoin, because to hedge against the risk. So now if it's breaking that last high here, is going to hit for me the stop loss for that short. But that short now I am risk free because it's hitting for me the first target and move the stop loss to entry point. So I am risk free now. If the market fall down again to the 25k, I'm going to earn more to hedge in the risk me I got here, because those ones I'm entering in them, those spot without leverage, but futures I enter with leverage. I think I explained everything to you guys. Now let's go in to see the coming news for today, for pictures to get more clear to you. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. That's the coming news for today. As you see it, we got CPI data or inflation data for the Eurozone. Plus, we got the building permit for USA. So those ones, they will not affect the market too much. We're going to affect the market too much, which is coming tomorrow. I think picture is too clear here. Plus, here is our friend, the table of us we're looking at it every day. As you see it, what it's telling to us till now. US stocks today, all of them, they closing. The Monday candle green. That meant that is a very, very bad news for your stock. By the way, to watch our analysis for your stock, you can go and watch in our other YouTube channel. The name of the YouTube channel is Index Insider, where we analyze in there the Nasdaq, the SP 500 and the DXY. If you want long-term signals, you can join us in Discord. The link of our Discord is down. Choose the VIP stock market. Over there, you're going to build a wealth or a portfolio with us for long term. By the way, it's not expensive, it's only $5, but it's up to you. And here is our friend, as you see it, the VIX. Currency is still very, very low. Also, we are 14. That means currency is very low. There is nothing to make you worried. But today we go back up. If you remember, we reached to 12. Then now we go back to 14. That means currencies go back up. Plus the US dollar today, as you see it, it closing Monday candle red. That a very bad news, guys. US dollar, just analyze it in our other channel. It's still giving us higher high, so you need to be careful a little bit. Now let's going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours, guys. Here we are in the 4 hours, guys. Over here is only for swing trading. Look at that level here. You see it or not? That the level me I'm talking about. We just touch it here. Then the market give us there a pin bar. Then me I enter a short. Till down here. It's hitting for me the first take profit. The first take profit of me it used to be here. Now here what should you do? If you remember in yesterday's video we told you to enter long from here. And that exactly what it done. It went up till here. Over here also we taking profit because that's a very risky place to still holding a long. Now at that level here for 4 hours for swing trading, should you enter short? Not yet, because here we got that trend line which is here as you see it. Till now we haven't break it up, and here you can make something like that. As you see it, you got here a triangle, very clear triangle from here and here, or a wedge, name it whatever you want, names doesn't matter. The most important to know how to trade those things. Now if the market came down and breaking here, you need to enter more short. If it breaking up here, you need to enter more long. And by the way, if you want to see more analysis for other cryptocurrencies, you can join our Telegram channel. That one is free, and even Discord is it free. You can join it. Is it the link? The link is it down in the description of that video. You can join there. You're going to see everyday analysis for other cryptocurrencies. If you're liking other cryptocurrencies like ETH, Bitcoin Cash, Solana, all those other cryptocurrencies, you can join us there watching them. But I think picture is too clear, guys, here in the 4 hours. So here in the 4 hours, what you need to do, I'll show it to you. You got here that uptrend, it needs to be broken, and here in the top, that trend line here, as you see it, the market needs to break here or here for you to enter long or short. So here in the 4 hours, there is no entry short yet. Short time, yes, but let me show you why me I enter short in the future. Let's go there to see our indicator, what it's saying today. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, it touch here the overbought area. That way me I enter that short based on that pin bar. Till now, also we still in a place where is the bulls they controlling. We haven't entered to a bear market. That means it's still very, very, very early, and I just show you the trend line in the 4 hours. If it's getting broke, enter more short. Me I'm talking here about swing traders, because as I've been talking with you, September is a month we're going to see the red month or a pin bar in the monthly candle. Till now we don't got any price action telling us the market is going to reverse upward. Maybe the market is going to fall down more, so be careful about those things what I'm telling you, guys. Now it's going to see our other indicator was saying, even that one, it's still telling us also we are here at the overbought area level. Also we being from a very, very, very stronger level than the market it fall down. Now also we are here because that one here, it used to be a resistance here, then it's getting broke at that level. Now it's become like a support. Even that one you need to be careful. If the market go back up and breaking that last high, you need to enter more long if we came back and we're breaking that last high, or maybe the market to give you here a price action here telling you need to enter more short. Till now, as we're still waiting what the market is going to tell us here. Now the market is not clear, and tomorrow it's coming very stronger news. So you need to be careful, guys. Now it's going to 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin went today in 30 minutes. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here, people they been with me in my Discord and my Telegram. Me, I give them a signal to enter short based on 5 minutes. I got here a head and shoulder. It's breaking for me the neckline here. I enter a short. The first take profit it used to be here at that level here. As you see it, bring it here. Second one, I got it down here. Till now the market it's showing here. It's still falling down. And that's what the market is showing to you there. And here now, it give you here a very clear head and shoulder here. As you see it. You see it or no? That the head and shoulder. If it's breaking here, that means it's going to fall down more than that. So be careful at that level here. What the market is going to tell you there. Now it's telling me the market is going to fall down more than that. So be careful, guys. Let's see our indicator what it's saying. Our indicator, as you see it, it's being here at the overbought area. Now, as we breaking here, I'm talking here about smaller time frames. It's breaking here. Now it's telling me the market is going to fall down more than that till the oversold area. Then also we're going to try to find from there a long entry. Now the market here in 30 minutes is showing to us the market is going to fall down more than that. So I think picture is too clear, guys. So that's it for that video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.